through much of the U.S. and into Canada as well. Plus, we've got moisture of its own streaming in off the Atlantic for the Atlantic coast of Nova Scotia. Rain showers, possible freezing drizzle, and that's just a preview of what is to come as we head into tomorrow. This weather system, this Colorado low, will continue its progression eastward, not only bringing heavy snow to northern Ontario, but also a major freezing rain event for eastern Quebec, an ice storm set for Wednesday. And then in behind that, a dry prairie forecast that continues into BC, persisting that air quality advisory for Burns Lake extending eastward to Prince George today. This will be in effect until further notice, until we see some rain in the area. So is there rain? Well, when we zoom out, we do have moisture moving in off the Pacific, but unfortunately, this is a story for the South BC coastline. We'll see rain and snow beginning for Vancouver Island early tomorrow morning. And it's not just there, it's also south of the border, extending down toward northern California. Heavy rain and snow at the higher terrain. This will then prompt the development of a low east of the Rockies. That's going to provide our next round of moisture for Saskatchewan as we see a rain-snow mix diving into those wee hours of Friday morning. Now, east of that, the weather system hitting Ontario and Quebec today has prompted a number of weather advisories south of the border as well. Wind is going to be the biggest factor with the arrival of these systems, these cells moving eastward. We've got wind gusts approaching 65 kilometers an hour. North of that, it's not rain, it's heavy snow, and at times we'll see the intensity of this snowfall between 3 to 4 centimeters per hour. By end of event, some communities across northern Ontario pick up to 50 centimeters of snow. It's less as you're heading into that snowfall warning, perhaps 10 to 25 centimeters. Rain northeast of Superior, freezing rain outside of that, with weather advisories and special weather statements blanketing the rest of the region. And then the freezing rain warning along the coastline of Quebec, including northern New Brunswick. That'll be in place for Wednesday. We'll talk more about the impact there coming up. Also ahead here on the show,